Welcome in everyone. How you guys doing? If you guys inside, hit that subscribe, like, share. And yeah, we're gonna get straight into this reaction. No wasting time. Got my girl here, Tisa Tells. As you should know, I've already been covering a few of her. I want to call them reactions, but her story news coverage. You know what I'm saying? The hood news. We got here today Diddy and Lucian Grange, huge defeat in court. Finally held accountable in. Hold on. Gotta open this. Accountable in Lisa Garda case. Okay. Let's go. Hashtag no Diddy. Did he do it? Did he not? I think he did. He did. Let's go.
Hey, what's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Well, baby, if you were Diddy and UMG, baby, you have just suffered a huge crushing blow. Baby, the feds are 2 seconds off of Diddy and UMG's. However, Tyrone Blackburn seems to have gotten there first. As much as UMG and Diddy and his parade of lawyers tried to construe, tried to throw dirt on their name, tried to do everything, it looks like Tyrone Blackburn, Little Rod's attorney, and also more importantly, Liza Gardner's attorney is coming out swinging, y'all.
As well too, let me say now, I mean to pause, but because I've seen a few comments under a couple of my videos, you know what I'm saying? Who's watching this stands by Diddy? I've seen a few people actually stand up to go, well, you know, you don't know what happened. She could have done, you know what I'm saying? All that, literally Diddy fans. And who thinks that no matter what he does, he's fucked? There ain't no coming back for him. I'll stand on the side where I don't think there's no coming back. Yeah, a lot of shit to be answered for, and boy, Judgment Day is coming. What you guys think? Let's go.
UMG has lost their motion to dismiss Liza Gardner's case. Now, if you guys don't know, you know, they tried to shame Tyrone Blackburn a few months back. Liza Gardner, if you guys don't know, said that she was a tender young Roni. And baby, when I say tender young Roni, the new lawsuit that was filed in Jersey, there's a whole story behind that. Let me tell you about it, right? Before we get to the win. She literally looked like DJ Tanner from Full House. Ain't no way Diddy or Andre, Aaron Hall thought for any second that she was like, you might be young, but you ready. Oh, no.
No way.
No.
Yep, so I'm saying she was a little baby.
It literally looked like whatever. Anyway, in the lawsuit, I did a whole lot about it if you want the legal papers. In the lawsuit, and there's a picture she submitted, she alleges that MCA, also Universal Music Group, because they're all subsidiaries of each other, literally had industry parties where not only did they allow underage people to come, they fed them alcohol, they fed them whatever, they put them in cars, and they took them over the bridge to the apartments in Jersey. Now, why were these apartments so important? Because these apartments were apartments that MCA and UMG demanded that their artists live in. They didn't want them in a hood, didn't want them doing anything. But by doing that, they accepted specific liability, okay? Back then, there wasn't any Uber. So they're saying that you guys paid for the kids to come, for them to drink, to put them in cabs, to put them in black cars, to bring them over. And they said that basically they passed them out or encouraged them to be kind of like candy or party favors that they use to keep their artists compliant.
But then at the same time, I said this is fuckery and this is disgusting. This has been going on for decades. This is what these big record labels, big companies do. You know, they cater to their clients' needs. We want to find out who their motherfucking clients are who have those kind of particular, specific, disgusting, shameful, fucking lowest piece of shit that you could find mentality, who has those kind of needs. We want to know who the fuck they are. That's what we want to know.
Pennies, but again, they wanted the lifestyle. They wanted the lifestyle, didn't they? Well, listen, when it first happened, they were trying to make Little Rod's attorney, Liza Gardner's attorney. He's an attorney for everyone. seem like a hack. Oh, this is improper venue. Get out of here. And a lot of people literally sucked their teeth and rolled their eyes. Oh, see, he got laughed out of court. Attorney Blackburn said, all right, you want to play? I didn't get laughed out of court. I took it out of New York State because it wasn't proper venue. Because Liza Gardner was reminded, again, this was 30, 40 years ago. Well, okay, fine, 20 years ago.
Still,
was reminded that what happened because it seemed like Diddy's lawyers and UMG and stuff were making an argument that, like, this didn't happen in New York. This didn't happen. This didn't happen. This is all fraudulent. And Tyrone Blackburn said, you're right. It didn't happen in New York. It actually happened in Jersey. You know what? Let me move this to the proper venue because that's where the assault took place. And as it happens, Jersey has
how many
better
assaults
laws and
do
more
these
favorable
motherfuckers have
laws
under their,
for what happens. They have a 30 or 33-year look-back window, which far exceeds New York State's look-back window for something like that happening. Now, they ran to court with Tyrone Blackburn, talking and barking the whole way. Don't you know that's not legal? We getting this thrown out. And as a matter of fact, we want sanctions against you. You're this, you're that. Well, guess what? The judge issued an order, and the judge had the nerve to, well, not even the nerve, the gumption, the audacity, the pure unlitigated gall, right? To actually say, UMG, and this is Lucian Grange, UMG, you lost your motion to dismiss Liza Gardner's case in New York. The judge has ruled in, I'm sorry, your motion to dismiss, the judge has ruled in his favor. Now they are stuck litigating the case in New Jersey. Pursuant
just
to
over the bridge.
CPLR
So,
321.
They didn't cover certain things in New York, so they just went over the bridge to New Jersey. I guess because it's not that far, it still can be held in court there because it's just next door, literally. But yeah.
7B, where defendants cannot demonstrate prejudice to a substantial right, it is within the trial court's discretion to allow plaintiff to discontinue the action without prejudice. Here at the pre-answer motion stage of litigation, discontinuance of the action would not prejudice
take
a
them all in,
substantial
man.
right of the
Lock them
moving
the fuck
defendants.
up. Throw away the keys.
Accordingly,
You know
the
what I'm
plaintiff's
saying?
cross motion is granted, and the matter is discontinued without prejudice to be bought in New Jersey. And it is further ordered that UMG's motion to dismiss is denied. Y'all, this is a stunning victory and a crushing defeat for UMG, for Diddy, and for everything that happens. And this is a win for anybody that chooses to bring grounds around this man. Now, I will say
Hope
this,
it
right?
opens the door to everybody else wanting to come forward. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid.
Literally
The truth will
wants
set
to
you
talk
free, man.
about Diddy and these lawsuits. But I find it very, very odd that UMG has gone through all these hoops to prove they're not involved. When at the end of the day, how are these artists getting this money? How was Diddy getting this money? And there's all these alleged record executives and all these alleged people.
Gotta be coming from somewhere.
Says they are
Follow the
innocent.
money
Diddy
trail,
says
man.
they're innocent. Aaron Hall, I don't know what that psycho gremlin's doing. He's so ugh. Is he gonna say he's innocent, or he gonna be like, I did it, took that puppy and did it? He always sounds like do another interview on Vlad TV. I really don't know what he's gonna say. I do know that, interestingly enough, it seems like the chips are falling where they need to be. This is the first civil case that has moved forward. I do not believe they have answered Little Rod.
I said open
They
the door,
tried
man,
to
for
get
more.
Liza Gardner's
Hopefully more people come
dismissed
through
in
to
New York with
plead their
prejudice,
truths,
so
man.
it couldn't be brought up
What's
in
been
New
happening
Jersey.
over the last
The
couple of
judge
years in the music
denied
industry
that.
is some
It is
bullshit.
now moving forward, and UMG cannot get out of this case unless they can prove, and MCA, that the money was coming from somewhere other than them, and they were not helping bring tender young Ronies to these artists in Jersey. Again, this is just the beginning. This has nothing to do with Diddy's criminal. The criminal looks like it is, well, the investigation's proceeding. We're waiting for charges to be brought forward. But for anybody that tried to say that Tyrone Black from Rights, salacious lawsuits, does this, does that, this and the third, he has won his first major victory against UMG, against MCA,
Good on
and
him, man.
ultimately against Diddy, Aaron Hall, and all these little monsters that, according to the lawsuit, have been preying on people with the help of the record companies being complicit
Hearing that,
and
though.
looking the
You
other
hearing that?
way. Now, what's next for this? Well, I mean, I'm sure Gloria Allred said that she doing a Kendrick Lamar. She got 5 plus 5
5
ready
plus
to go.
5.
Tyrone Blackburn is probably adding new clients as we speak. Douglas Wigmore is jumping back in the fray. And at the end of the day, baby, I hope, I don't know. The twins better hurry up and enroll in whatever college they can, because baby, it don't look like Diddy's money is going to be around for much longer.
Yeah,
Y'all listen.
trust me.
Let me know what you think in the
lawsuits coming through now ain't a joke.
in the comments. This is a huge victory. I will be going live tomorrow to get into some more stuff, but y'all listen. Y'all, Diddy's done too much, too many, and baby,
too many
skeletons are falling out of the closet. Anyway, you guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, no. Yeah, y'all can let me know as well what y'all be thinking. Cause I'm telling you, you can't do so much dirt. After a while, when you put it under the carpet, it piles up, and the carpet ain't flat no more. You lift up that carpet and all that dirt just falls out. Yo, the diddler's day has come. You know what I'm saying? Shit. But yeah, if you guys inside, hit that subscribe, like, and share. Really helps me out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Be safe and stay blessed.